Hey, food lovers! Today we're making roasted butternut squash soup. Velvety, cozy, naturally sweet. Stick around for flavor-boosting tricks and irresistible toppings. Let's get cozy. Start with a local butternut squash. Halve, scoop, drizzle, season. Add onion, garlic, thyme. High heat roast unlocks natural sweetness and rich caramelized flavor. Easy, vegan, gluten-free. Roast at 425 degrees Celsius until fork tender and deeply golden. Caramelized edges are your flavor jackpot. Trust the color, not the clock. Sauté a little olive oil with roasted onions and garlic. Add veggie stock, a pinch of ginger, and roasted squash. Simmer 5 minutes to marry flavors. Blend until luxuriously smooth. Taste and balance. Salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon or cider vinegar to brighten. Creamy texture without heavy cream. Top with toasted pumpkin seeds, crispy sage, and a coconut yogurt swirl. Serve with crusty bread. Like, subscribe, and share for more cozy seasonal recipes.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.